and welcome to week 21 of Babies and Books. Babies and Books is all about spending time with your little ones, sharing books with them and really engaging and spending quality time, and these sessions are designed to show you different ways of looking at the books with your little one. Okay, and we have a little sing-song too, so we'll start our little songs with our hello song and our name song. Okay. Hello Charlotte, hello Charlotte, hello Charlotte, it's nice to have you here. Hello Miles, hello Miles, hello Miles, it's nice to have you here. Hello Rosie, hello Rosie, hello Rosie, it's nice to have you here. And if you'd like a shout out, do pop your name down in the little comments box. So we did a couple of little songs last week, so you may have remember the words, but if not, just join in the best you can. Okay. Down in the forest where nobody goes, there's a big red fox washing his clothes with a rub-a-dub here and a rub-a-dub there. That's the way he washes his clothes. Dibbity-doo, da, boogie woogie woogie, dibbity-doo, da, boogie woogie woogie, dibbity-doo, da, a boogie woogie woogie. That's the way he washes his clothes. Down in the forest where nobody goes, there's a little grey mouse washing her clothes with a rub-a-dub here and a rub-a-dub there. That's the way she washes her clothes. Dibbity-doo, da, boogie woogie woogie, dibbity-doo, da, boogie woogie woogie, dibbity-doo, da, boogie woogie woogie. That's the way she washes her clothes. Hooray! And the next one is more something that we say. So it's oh where did my little sock go? Oh where did my little sock go? Oh where can it be? I've searched up high, I've looked down low, it's nowhere that I can see. Okay, now this week I thought I'd show you the QR code. Now this is on a few of the Bookstart Trust books that we've got, so I thought I would have a little look and see if we can get technology to work today. So I have got the QR scanner app on my phone and I've scanned the code already, and if you can see here it comes up with listen in browser, and so there's quite a few of the Bookstart Trust books on here to listen to in Welsh. So if I go here, listen in browser, fingers crossed, I think it's working now.
Sanau Cadno,
Okay.
gan Julia Donaldson ac Axel Schaefer. Addasiad Cymraeg, Gwyn Williams. O, ble mae fy sanau? Meddai Cadno yn drist. Does dim ond ei fest yn saff yn y gist. Rhaid twymo draed o flaen y tân. Yn y twll dan stair, mae Crys glas glân. O, ble mae fy sanau yn cuddio'n slei? Yn y cwbwrdd bwyd, mae'n ffeindio'i dei. Mae o'n gwisgo'r tei am ei wddwn dyn. Ond ydy ei sanau yn cuddio fan hyn? O, ble mae fy sanau? Meddai'n drist wrtho'i hun. Mae o'n agor y cloc. Hei ho! Dyma un. Ond rhaid cael 2 hosan I fynd i'r dre. Dyma Jack yn y bocs. A'r hosan, hwrê!
Yay! Well done! So there we go. I hope you enjoyed listening to the story. And do remember, we now have our Babies and Books class here in Mould at 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock. So give us a call if you'd like to join us. And all the other branches are now doing rhyme time sessions too. We hope to see you back in the library soon. Hwyl fawr! Bye bye!